Boys, we thought that was nothing but seagulls. But ducks, boys. Ducks, look at them. Oh my. Property. I mean, good. God almighty, look at them widgeon. Look, dude, there's widgeon. Bro, there's freaking speckle bellies.
Yeah,
I'm looking at some speckle bellies. There's widgeon. There's fucking mallards. There's seagulls. There's pintail. Look, I'm looking at a pintail right now. Oh my God, dude, that's not even the end of them. Oh my gosh, dude, they're doing it dirty. Bunch of seagulls. Dirty boys, dirty. No, I'm just sitting there looking at them though.
I landed on that one.
Look at them ducks, dude. Look at them doing it dirty. Look at them. Oh, dirty boys. Dirty.